think of Korean barbecue?
It is delicious. Probably the one worthwhile thing to get that you know is good.
What's your favorite meat to grab during Korean barbecue?
Pork belly.
Out of all the Korean street food that you've tried, which one is your favorite?
Street food? I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna sound basic, but that corn dog is pretty good.
What makes a Korean corn dog different than American corn dogs?
I bought it in Korea.
What is your outlook on the Korean transportation?
My outlook on the Korean transportation is that the doors close too fast.
On what?
On me.
Describe to me what you think of adventuring.
It's just walking around, sightseeing. Hey, what's down this corner? What's inside this building? It's just exploring an area that you've never been in before. It's mindless. It's mindless adventure. I like that.
Very good. And welcome back to another conversation.
Conversation of what?
Adventuring.
Adventure.
You forgave my camera?
Yes, you forgetting your camera. When we have all this nice scenery and animals in these.
What are you gonna do about it?
Not me, you're the one who forgot your camera. Adventuring, sightseeing. We're going to the OG spot, which is all you can eat barbecue buffet.
That's not actually right.
Stay tuned. How is it?
Very good. Better than Burger King. Yeah, that one.
I mean,
that one right down the
I'm
line,
still
yeah.
cooking my big piece of meat, but
For some reason,
the sides have been very good.
well, they just shut shit.
Let's get a look at that mustache.